Now we're getting all this lightning. Here, let me. Hopefully, capture it. Maybe it is daylight, but I'm not sure. But I tried. But if it does what it just did a second ago. There. But that was more off to my left, though. It was split. Pushing out, but it's still lightning. See, it's off to my, it's up behind here. That's pretty intense. Catch it? And just look at that. It's just beautiful. One more time. Give me a good one. That was from like cloud to cloud and then the ground. It was like both. Went across the sky and then it struck right before I started recording. This from the back of the storm. It just did it again, but I keep, it's happening on the other side of the building. Damn it. I keep missing it. Damn it. Where's the thunder?